Hello and welcome. I'm Armin Wille, service expert at KHS. We are at your service as a reliable partner and would like to take a look into the future together with you. It is particularly important for us to offer our customers fully comprehensive service. Behind me you can see the hustle and bustle at our KHS booth at rectified 2022, where we are presenting, among other things, the broad scope of our reliable services. We at KHS support you with our holistic services to keep your lines at the cutting edge of technology and thus ensure a long life cycle of your machines. We accomplish this not only by providing reliable on-site services, but also with the help of our digital systems. For this reason, I'd like to give you an insight into our remote services and KHS Connect, our digital customer portal. Join me, we are always at your service. To make this possible, we have developed, among other things, Redis, our remote diagnostic service. Redis is a highly efficient method of remote maintenance of your systems in the event you need assistance. In addition to the well-established 24/7 help desk, we also use augmented reality solutions such as KHS smart glasses for this purpose. With the help of these data glasses, we can see what you see and thus identify and rectify faults and sources of error more quickly. This is especially helpful in the event of faults that are more complex in order to establish an additional visual connection to the machine operator along with the audio connection. KHS Connect offers you a modern customer portal with online shop functionalities. Here you will find all the key information regarding your spare part inquiries and orders, and also receive wear parts packages tailored to your machines, which can be ordered with just one click. If you are thinking about upgrading your line to keep it future-proof and efficient, or if you want to optimize your products or make them more sustainable, we will be happy to provide you with advice and support throughout the entire conversion process. Your personal KHS service representative will be happy to explain further details about our services. Visit us at rectified in Hall B4 or visit us online. We look forward to exchanging ideas with you.